Ka Sorkar jelah ha ka tarik nailar kala betak ban penlong da ke jing tohkit ha ka bayade ber ke jingkynnoh ja rngai dewiong ubadon hadu 1,000 metrik ton. Kat kum ke jing ong jong usumbut menteri rangba ke jelah uba kemi ia ketenat home police uba Prestone tensong ya kini ke jing tohkit on penlong da ki bor peniat jong ke distrik badai kemi ban lap ya ke jing shisha halendat jong kini ke jingkynnoh. Uba Prestone ulaban juru baka Sorkar ka pediang subha ya kenu ke jing tohkit halor ke jing ti dewiong bean kayi dewiong bean bat ke jing pen kendriak bean. Mentang ila dek ban betak ya ki bor distrik badai kemi ban wat ya ke jing shisha bat ban IT ya kai pot ya ka bau on Phah ru sya ka Sorkar India ong uba Prestone habakren syakilat pathai kubor ha ka ba ula kentaj ru ban kentho AA halor ke jingkren jong menteri ketenat excise uba kermen Syllad ba ka jingjur slap ha Meghalaya ka lak ban long ka daw ka jingja rngai dewiong ubadan 1,000 metrik ton kumbala kedau ha ka kai pot shipor ka ba lifeway kabala IT da Justice BP kataki hakmat ka yingka syari Meghalaya High Court. Sembut Menteri Rangba ula penpau ru baka an kan syim ialah ka jong ka benta la dalap ya kino ki kambian. La ka long ka Supreme Court ne kanu ka tenat ngi pediang subha ya kanu ka jing tohkit. Ngaju ong ya kani habaya keren halor ka benta kabaya dei ber ka jing ti dewiong bean kayi dewiong bean bat ka jing pen kenriak bean namar ka an ka don ula ong. Ka Sorkar kala betak ya baru ki bor district ki superintendent of police bat ki tenat badai kemi bakin pej beniak ya kini kekam bat ban penti kena bakin omdon kino ki kambean benrap uba Prestone.
I have nothing to say, no hide and seek. The Supreme Court or whoever agency, we welcome. I used to tell that about this issue of coal mining, illegal coal mining, illegal trading, illegal movement of coal and all. I mean, time and again I used to say, if there is any such illegality, any such illegal movement, any such illegal mining, the law is there. So instruction has been given to all the district administration, to all the SPs, to all the different departments in the government to look into it and also to make sure that illegality does not happen. No, that we will present or we will send the reply. We will send the statement. Because see, the statement made by the one of our colleague, Honorable Minister, he said that due to heavy rain, then it seems coal has been washed away this time. I will not say anything on that. So now we have already asked the concerned district administration to find out the truth and then let that report comes, and even that report will be even sent to the government.